There you go. Nice and crispy. Yeah. Oh. Explain to me what these are.
Those are called cannon plug pliers.
Cannon plug pliers.
You'd see them more often in aviation, but automotive guys use them. Any twist lock connector.
Ah.
Relays.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Those are cool. Nice and rubbery. Those could also work for like hoses. Without damaging the hose, the rubber hose maybe. Just to crack them loose, you know?
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
Huh.
Who makes them?
You need a pair.
I do.
They're made by ATI. It's our aviation company.
Oh, okay. If you look at them, you can figure out a couple of uses for them.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Just hold it in place while you go to the bathroom.
I just sell the shit, man.
Yeah, you could pinch off some hoses for sure. Like
yeah, they're nice and light. They're extremely light. Let's just put those there. Just walked onto the truck and yeah.
What?
Just walked onto the truck and just immediately got sold a tool.
I think I'm gonna get those these long things.
Oh yeah.
I think those would be helpful.
Yeah. Well, this one, I have this one, and then
The straight.
I don't have the straight one, no. But he has
Yeah.
a set though. He has a set though, because it's this one,
Oh yeah.
this one, and then this one, and then there's this one, this one, this
I just
one.
need one long one.
The long one is awesome. I just used it today. I use it all the time actually.
Helped my ass the other week.
What were we doing? I can't remember.
We were pulling off the panel just behind the seat to get the sub out on the velocity.
That's right.
With that really hurting piece of plastic that always breaks.
Yeah. That
Or
piece of
cuts my
plastic that
finger
always
really bad.
breaks.
Yeah. Slides right in there nicely though.
Yep.
The skeleton combo. Throwing those.
The skeleton combo.
I didn't see any skeletons.
So they kind of make the same-ish ones, but not. That one only goes to 60 psi.
What do you need it to go any higher for?
Like, I did for trucks before, but not anymore.
Yeah.
I want a new one, but
Yours is ancient.
yeah. But it was good when I got it, right?
Replaced them, bro.
That's what I think I'm gonna do.
Yeah. I like mine.
This one.
I like mine. Yeah. Yeah, that's mine.
Yours has the stainless steel hose on?
No, mine does not have the braided hose.
Yeah, I think I'm used to doing it the hard way now.
You know, during the week I have these days where I'm like, I need something from Snap-on. I need this or need that, and then by the time Snap-on comes, I'm like, I don't remember what it is though. I should start writing shit down. Start writing shit down. A Snap-on pen. Yeah. Just gotta start writing stuff down. Snap-on gloves.
Or you send me a text.
Yeah, I guess I could do that too.
It's even easier.
Oh, that's what I came here for.
Rudolph.
Yep. No, it doesn't have.
Rudolph the
Get 'em
brown-nosed reindeer.
Get them drunk, it will be red.
He's a brown nose. Brown nose.
Shit. Whoa. Look at that.
Actually, I know there is something. Fuck, I'm trying to remember now. Oh, you know what? I do know. I'll figure it out in a
You
bit.
need this for plastic trim stuff.
I do, but
Easy
I
pry.
just use yours.
No, you're gonna start using this one.
No, I like yours. Yours are awesome.
Yeah, because if you don't own them, they don't break, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I don't own them, they don't break.
couple.
I think. Not
Plus or minus
yeah,
5.
plus or minus.
Plus or minus a couple
It was
psi
2
is
PSI
better
before,
than the
and
accuracy that they're guaranteed for.
Okay.
So if you're within 2 psi, you're golden.
Oh, okay. It was.
Did you
was
take it out and...
like 2 or 3 psi off religiously, and then I used it one day and it was 10
And
psi off.
comparing to what?
To
Mine,
his
I think.
good one and Bindi, 2 snap-on ones, a digital one and Joel's one with the
Yeah.
tube inside. Good.
And they were both the same?
Yeah. Within a couple pieces. I had to take it apart and there's like an S-shaped fucking piece in there that basically kind of adjusts where the needle
Yep.
sits.
Yep.
What you buying? What you buying? What you buying?
Well, that's what I was asking, how far it was out.
Not this.
Not this.
I'm gonna get that this thing for sure.
Okay. You should buy this big fucking axe
Yeah. So you go
and then cut wood for your
Dude,
dad.
that'd be perfect.
Cut
I
wood for your
I
dad.
put it in my truck, just right on the back.
Yeah, yeah, because we're not allowed gun racks, so just like an
So
axe rack in the back of your truck.
Just a bunch of knives, throwing knives.
Intimidate people driving down the road. Don't fuck with that guy.
Yeah. He's got a yellow axe.
The last two
The hell's that thing?
I have no idea. Some angled probe or something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Is this a screwdriver?
You're asking me? No idea. It's something. Yeah, it's probably a screwdriver. I'm guessing. Like a Phillips screwdriver or
When
something.
you want to just really grab onto
Interesting.
it and screw her.
Cool.
Still got lots of work to do.
There's 147.
This one? Oh, that one.
That one's nice too.
Yeah, it is actually. Huge dial on it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad.
Interesting. I'm not sure which one I want now. Fuck. So one of these is 107 and the other's one something.
I gotta figure out what I need. Alrighty guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday. Well, let's see what I got off the truck. It's Christmas time right now, so right away, right when I got on the truck, I saw these interesting pliers. I know basically they're like on the Snap-on's aviation line. Super fucking light. There's no brand name on it. It just says Tools USA. Maybe if I pull this off, maybe it's got a... Oh, there we go. ATI Tools USA. Okay, so I figured, you know what, I would find a use for these. Right away I thought hose clamps, or not hose clamps, but hoses. So radiator hoses, heater hoses. These are pretty rubbery, so they're not going to leave any marks anywhere or break the hoses or anything like that. So I'm going to try them out. They cost me somewhere around 41 bucks, just so you guys know. Part number is AT508K. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera there. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in something like this, I'm going to try them out and I'll let you guys know if they work for my intended use. What else did I get? Like I said, it's Christmas time. Tyler came in with, you know, the Christmas gifts, socks, which I need another pair. I have a couple pairs at home already. They're awesome socks, let me tell you. If you guys don't have Snap-on socks, get yourself a pair of Snap-on socks. These things are comfortable as shit. New calendar. What else did we get? I got a Christmas card and a freshly baked butter tart from Tyler's wife. Thank you very much. Can't wait to try it. I heard they're amazing. What else did I get? Here we go. Something I saw on the collector's site. Some people have been showing them off. This is a relatively new product. It is the lock cylinder cover to black it out. I'll show you guys with it installed in a second here. The part number for this little guy is K1LCAPBLK. You can get them in different colors: green, orange, and red. Green, orange, red, and black. So we got those. I'm going to show you that installed in a second. And I got one of the accessories for the easy mount. Now this one is going to be going in my truck. These things here are super useful for not having your hands on the phone at all when you're driving, because here in BC and in Canada it's pretty much illegal to drive with your hands anywhere near your phone. So you get one of these things, and this thing basically goes on the vent on in the Ram of Doom, and then this will attach to it and attach to your phone. They ended up having to do this because, well, basically this used to stick on the back of my phone, and I didn't want that on the back of my phone. You have that in your pocket, you put your bank card in there, and all of a sudden you can't use your bank card anymore. You're screwed. So I ended up ordering a new key for my toolbox, because this one, I don't know what happened to it. I think I dropped it and stepped on it or whatever, but one day it just kind of bent over. Couldn't open my toolbox, so I had to go ahead and start using the spare key. And last but not least, Merry Christmas to Joel. I got the piggy bank. I'm stoked about this. I'm gonna open it up. I have seen some of you guys on the collector's site have them already. Let's open this thing up. Ugh. If I don't break it. Oh my God, that thing is so cool. You guys have to check this thing out, man. This thing is badass. It's never going to be full though, because all my money goes towards Snap-on anyway. My porcelain toolbox, my tool money, we all know it's going to be empty all the time. So I don't know if that's going to sit on the box yet or just kind of hang out at home. Not entirely sure yet, so I'll find a use for it. Anyway guys, thanks for hanging out with me on Snap-on Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Snap-on Collectors, and Patreon, where you guys can get all my videos pretty much 24 hours or more in advance. And got some other perks on there as well. So remember guys, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys.